This is the MonDak OilField Review with host Jason Spiess.
My name is Jason Spiess, and this is the MonDak OilField Review, heard on the Crude Life Media Network. Today we talk with Vickie Schmidt with Schmidt Associates about the current drugs being used in the black market and how companies are testing their employees. In just a moment, our exclusive interview with Vickie Schmidt with Schmidt Associates right here on the MonDak OilField Review. Different types of tests. You said a 5-panel and a 10-panel. Now I imagine a 5-panel is 5 different types of drugs?
Yep.
10 being 10 different types of drugs?
Yep.
What, is there blood testing?
We don't do blood testing for employment testing.
Okay.
There's no written rules for non-mandated testing, so we follow the DOT guidelines.
Okay. My understanding is blood testing, it's probably the least effective unless it's within a certain...
You got to be very short-lived.
24 hours, 48 hours. Okay.
For marijuana, hard drugs I can still get for 48 hours.
How about urine test? Is that the most common?
Most common.
Okay.
I'm seeing more and more people switching. We call urine the gold standard. Ha!
No pun intended.
Okay. So that gold standard,
The gold standard,
gives me a detection window for hard drugs, cocaine, opiates, amphetamines, meth, PCP, okay? 2 to 3 days. Could be up to 90 days for a chronic marijuana user. Well, that's great. Now, with the recreational and medical marijuana coming into play, I have a lot of employers calling and telling, I don't care what they do at night, as long as they're not high when they come to work. Well, with a 90-day detection window for marijuana, urine all of a sudden isn't right up there in the top 2.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're getting where oral fluid becomes an important player because the detection time is only 12 to 15 hours.
Oral fluid being saliva?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, so I could have smoked a pound of pot last night. If I quit at 7 o'clock, I'm already clean. I'll already pass that test.
Okay.
So I'm getting more and more employers that, well, I just don't want to test for marijuana. Well, no, you still need to test for it. You don't want them impaired at work. So I have more employers switching to that oral fluid because of that shorter detection on the marijuana. But then I've got the other employer who wants no drugs, zero tolerance. They're choosing a hair test.
To listen to the full-length interview with Vickie Schmidt of Schmidt Associates or to listen to other MonDak OilField reviews, visit thecrudelife.com. That's thecrudelife.com. The MonDak OilField Review is part of the Crude Life Media Network. Check us out on Facebook and Twitter. All those social media links are available at thecrudelife.com. That's thecrudelife.com. From the staff of the MonDak OilField Review, my name is Jason Spiess, asking you to be happy, be safe, and keep it turning to the right. It seems everywhere I go these days, someone is telling me about the success of Hatch coaching. Listen to what professional speaker Jay Lindquist has to say.
He is a person in this market and now in markets across the country with Hatch coaching that is revolutionizing the way people approach the business. He's reinventing the way people look at the people model. That's why he brings in hundreds of people from all over the country who are trying to figure out how to do what he's doing in their market.
For more information, call 701-212-1572 or visit coachingwithhatch.com. That's coachingwithhatch.com.